The nationwide death toll from China's viral epidemic has leaped to 170 according to the government on Thursday, with more than 1,700 new infections confirmed. 37 of the 38 new deaths came in hard-hit Hubei province, the epicenter of a contagion that is causing mounting global fear. The 38 new deaths marked the biggest single-day jump yet, and it comes as a massive containment effort is underway that has effectively locked down tens of millions of people in Hubei. Take a look. Now, here are the places that have confirmed cases of the 2019 novel coronavirus. In China, as of Thursday, around 7,700 people have been infected across China, the majority in and around Wuhan. Most of the 170 who have died were in that region, but officials have confirmed multiple deaths elsewhere, including the first in the capital, Beijing. In the Asia-Pacific region, 7 patients have been confirmed in Australia, 6 who arrived in the country from Wuhan and are being treated in hospitals in Sydney, Melbourne, and Gold Coast. Cambodia's health ministry reported the country's first case of the virus on Monday, a 60-year-old man who arrived from Wuhan and is now stable. In Hong Kong, 10 people are known to have the disease. Of those, 6 arrived via a newly built high-speed train terminal that connects the city to the Chinese mainland. In India, officials confirmed the first case in Kerala, southern India, on Thursday. The individual, a student at Wuhan University, is in isolation at hospital. Japan's health authorities confirmed Thursday they had registered 11 cases, including 2 cases of human-to-human transmission. The driver and tour guide of a bus carrying visitors from Wuhan were both infected, despite not having recently visited China. Macau had confirmed 7 cases as of Tuesday. Malaysia confirmed a new case today, Thursday, bringing the total to 8. All are Chinese nationals, according to the Ministry of Health's Director General. Nepal said a 32-year-old man arriving from Wuhan had the disease. He was initially quarantined but recovered and was discharged. The Philippines reported its first case of the virus today, a 38-year-old woman who arrived from Wuhan and is no longer showing symptoms. She came to the Philippines on January 21, sought medical help 4 days later, and was admitted to hospital for testing. Singapore has confirmed 10 cases, all arrivals from Wuhan. South Korean media reported they have reported 4 cases, citing the National Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The 3 men and a woman all traveled from Wuhan. Sri Lanka confirmed its first case on Monday, a 43-year-old Chinese tourist from Hubei province. Taiwan has uncovered 8 cases so far, including 2 female Chinese nationals in their 70s who arrived in the country as part of a tour group. Thailand has announced 14 confirmed infections, the highest number outside China. Health officials said that of the 6 new cases, all Chinese visitors from Wuhan, 5 belong to the same family and ranged in ages 6 to 70. Vietnam has so far confirmed 2 cases of the virus. An infected man arrived in Ho Chi Minh City earlier this month from Wuhan and possibly passed the virus on to his son. To North America now, Canada has confirmed 2 cases so far and is calling a 3rd case presumptive, meaning officials are awaiting final confirmation of the results from a national laboratory. In the United States, the U.S. has confirmed 5 cases in patients who had recently arrived from Wuhan, 2 in California and 1 each in Arizona, Chicago, and Washington State. And to Europe now, in Finland, a tourist from Wuhan tested positive for the virus on Wednesday and was being treated in isolation in hospital, according to officials. There are 5 known cases in France, the first European country to be affected. The most recent is the daughter of an elderly Chinese tourist who is in serious condition in hospital, according to officials. Germany now has 4 confirmed cases, including the first of human-to-human transmission on European soil, a 33-year-old man who fell ill after attending a training session hosted by a visiting Chinese colleague. All 4 patients are in isolation in a Munich hospital. In the Middle East, United Arab Emirates, health officials said Wednesday a Chinese family of 4 had all tested positive for the virus after arriving from Wuhan several days ago.